Jahmeela, and I'm coming to you today with part two of the Who or What is Upscale Queen series. We have a three-part series where first, part one, we spoke on what is Upscale Queen. Part two, I would kind of give you all a little background history on who I am, who Jahmeela is. And then part three, we will be talking about the UQ Squad. So just to, not to hold you too long and to get into who's Jahmeela. So my name is Jahmeela Weston, and I am from the state of Mississippi. I graduated from the University of Southern Mississippi, where I received a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration with an emphasis in Management Information Systems degree. So yes, those are a lot of words, but you know what? I worked very hard for those words. And I love my field. I love my degree. I have been working in the IT industry since I graduated. So I moved to Atlanta the day after I graduated. I was over there almost 12 years, and in my time over there, it was a great move. It allowed me to gain my experience in my industry. I started out at a insurance education school where I went in as a customer service representative, and 5 months later, I moved into the IT department where I became a help desk analyst. So as a help desk analyst, I pretty much, I'm coming in out of college, don't know, what my options are or what I should be doing. I was afforded the opportunity to shadow each area of the information technology department. So I shadowed networking, programming, web development, application support, anything that they had available in the area, you name it, I shadowed it. And so I pretty much found what my niche was at that point. And my niche was web development, programming, and application support. So I pretty much, when I realized that was, the area that I felt the most comfortable in, networking, I'll let that let someone else handle that. That's not my lane. I stay out of it. But I've been doing application support and project management since then. So I worked for the insurance company for about 5 years, and I moved into the healthcare industry. That's where I went in as a IT manager, and it was pretty cool. But the job, how sometimes you go on a job and you're given one explanation, and then it just snowballs into something totally different. So I took a step back from management and became a computer application analyst because I felt myself slipping away. I was an IT manager, but I was doing everything but IT when I was in that role, and I didn't want to lose my my history and my background. So I moved into computer application analyst for a specialized department. And I did that for some years, and then I moved into the actual IT department for the overall hospital. And I did that for 2 or 3 years. When I got ready to move back to Mississippi, I actually became an employee of one of our major vendors for the hospital. So moved back to Mississippi, one of the best moves I could have made. I'm so comfortable here. I love it. Being back home, country girl at heart. But so moved back to Mississippi. I was working from home. It's like one of the best things that could have happened to me was coming home and just having that flexibility to, get your work done, but you're not on the schedule. You don't have to dress up every day unless you have a meeting, that you have to do like a webinar or something like that where you have to be seen. I would, spruce up a little bit for that. But otherwise, I kind of chilled out. My clothing was a t-shirt and, t-shirt and stretch pants or something, just really comfortable. So with that being the case, after since I've been here, I pretty much have worked from home. I've done project management. I've done application, support. I've been a contractor. I've done a few things. I've worked for the public sector for a little while because I had I was doing contract work. And then when I did my contract work, I went into the public arena for a minute, and then I came out and went back into the private arena because I saw that I kind of liked that area a little more at the time. But now that we come to today, just fast forward, I actually was affected by the COVID-19, pandemic, and I was recently laid off from my job. So, sometimes, hey, things changes in your life, but you just have to make the best of your situation. So while being laid off, what I have been doing is actually affording me the opportunity as I look for another full-time job to work with Upscale Queen full-time. So I love Upscale Queen. I love what it means. I love, what we are trying to accomplish. And if it's God's will for me to work that full time, I will be happy doing it because I enjoy, doing what I do. So that's where we are. I'm at home, and every day, all day, I'm on the grind, just trying to get Upscale Queen up and out the door. So that's me in a nutshell. That's where I am. I am, just living my life to the fullest and to the best of my ability. And I am trying to make all of my dreams, just trying to work hard. And if I can, make those dreams that I have become realizations. And, and if they don't, it will not be because I did not try. Some things just shouldn't happen. But if it is meant to happen, I, gonna work hard to make it happen. So what's coming up next, I appreciate you all, tuning in. And what's coming up next, I will introduce you all to the UQ squad, who is actually like my family. They are, my mom, my sister, and my 3 nieces. And then I also have some little baby UQ squad members. But I introduce you to them, and so you can see, who's actually behind this whole thing. I'm one person. Yeah, I had the vision, and, the vision was dropped on me, but just like with, they say it takes a village. This is taking a village, and my squad or UQ squad is, phenomenal. Major support. They help me come up with ideas. They help me, when we have big orders, they'll come into the city and we'll just get what we need done. So I am so appreciative of my family and those people who are, surrounding me and supporting me, like my friends as well, who are, putting, I guess you could say they're adding to the business and helping the business grow, and just helping us become better people. So thank you for tuning in. Please follow us. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest. We're also on Etsy and eBay, Redbubble, and TeePublic. So yeah, we're all over the place. And by all means, upscalequeen.com. That's our website. That's where we see all of our products. You see our t-shirts, you see our specialties, you see the clutches, the handmade clutches that we do. You see all those things out there on the website. So, they're also from time to time posted on our social media. But for the full selection, full collections, go to the website to, view all those things. So thank you all for tuning in. We appreciate your support, and I look forward to, if you have any questions, by all means, say it or ask your question in the comments, and we will go from there. We'll try to help you out, or, we'll figure it out. So thank you for joining, and I will talk to you all later, and we'll see you soon. Bye.